Child, we about to put a wig on top of this. Don't let the stringers fool you, because I'm no longer bald, but let's get into it. Okay, I'm blue dried out, not fully, because, child, it's not wet, so it's gonna hurt. I hate doing my own break-in. If you see braids like this in my head, just know my breakdown person, aka my mom, had to work. So I'm doing it myself. And I hate doing it myself. Because one, I'm tender to them because I went bald again. And honestly, I'm about to go bald again. But my little sister told me if I go bald, I'm going to get beat up. I don't feel like getting beat up by a 5-foot midget. So, here we go. When I'm saying that, when I was bald, my wigs look flat. Just because I said I want to go bald, don't mean not take care of your hair. Your hair. That's not actually singing. Because I'm gonna pull my edges out.